Process X-Ray actually consists of two programs, the app that you interact with and a system extension that runs behind the scenes. For all endpoint system extensions, not just Process X-Rays, Apple requires that the user bless the extension twice. First, to actually install the system extension, and second, to give the extension full disk access. You only have to do this once, and after that, Process X-Ray will be good to go for all future runs. This video walks you through the steps you need to take the first time you run Process X-Ray. To install the endpoint system extension, click the File menu and choose Connect to Extension. When you do this, a sheet will slide down in the window asking you to activate the extension. Click Activate. Apple will then pop up in a window saying, System Extension Blocked. In other words, Apple won't install the system extension until you bless it. To do this, click the Open Security Preferences button. The Security and Privacy System preference will open with the General tab selected. In the lower portion of the window, there should be a line saying, System software from the application Process X-Ray was blocked from loading, with a button to the right saying Allowed. That button is probably disabled. To enable the button, click the lock in the lower left corner of the window and then authenticate yourself. Now, click the Allow button. You have now completed the first step and you have installed the system extension. Process X-Ray should quickly detect that the system extension has been installed, and a new sheet will slide down in the main window, prompting you to give it access to your file system. In that slide down sheet, click Show System Preferences, and in a second, the System Preferences window should switch to the Privacy tab. In the left pane, select Full Disk Access, if it isn't already selected. In the right pane, find Process X-Ray Agent and click the checkbox to enable it. Great! At this point, you have installed the endpoint system extension and given it the access it needs to do its job. Now go back to the Process X-Ray's File menu and select Connect to Extension one more time. Everything should be working now. To verify, start another program. You should see processes popping up in the main window. Congratulations! Process X-Ray is now fully functioning. Anytime you run Process X-Ray in the future, select File and Connect to Extension, and you should automatically connect.